Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update the software on BLACKSHARK Pad SE. First, you're gonna have to open settings on your tablet. Make sure that you have internet connection. Then scroll down to the About Tablet menu and open it. Here at the very bottom, okay, not at the very bottom, but at the top of the basic info, you'll be able to find system updates. And if you tap right here, your device will start checking for available updates. And if you do have a system update to install, then your device will start downloading and installing it automatically. As you can see, my device is up to date, therefore I do not have to install anything. But if you see an update preparing for you, then just wait until it gets downloaded, installed, and then restart your tablet to apply changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.